Gusto mo na bang magkasariling bahay? Pero kulang or hindi makaipon ng pang down payment? May good news ako para sa'yo. For as low as 75,000 pesos cash out at pwede ding gawing installment ng 9,000 pesos for 6 months, uulitin ko, 9,000 pesos for 6 months, buo na ang pang down payment mo, makakalipat ka na agad at mapapasayo na ang 2-story house and lot along MacArthur Highway pa. Kasama na ang TV set, refrigerator at split type aircon during turnover. Kung nagrerenta ka pa din na gusto na magkasariling bahay, swak sa'yo to. Continue watching this video to know how. Affordable cash out for a 2-story house and lot by Intervest here in Urdaneta City. What you see in this video is the actual turnover of our semi-complete finish na at kulang na lang ay tiles and ceiling for second floor, fully livable na ito. May lot area ka na 80 square meters, floor area na 65 square meters, 2 toilet and bath, and 2 car garage. The best part is, dahil malaki ang lot area mo, yung service area where you can expand your kitchen or additional extra rooms for extended families for your future home renovation. Ang estimated monthly amortization for 20 years ay 23,000 pesos per month and required income of 60,000 pesos, pwede ka ring mag-co-borrower to meet the required income. Sa 75,000 pesos cash out lang, makukuha mo na ang pangarap mong magkabahay. Kung paano? Let our team help you to achieve yung pinapangarap mong sariling bahay. Message our Facebook page and schedule your tripping ngayon na.